Jai Shivrai guys, today is the day one of our technical growth challenge. For now, I have created one simple user service where we are fetching the records from the database. So here you can check in the controller with the name users, okay, ID for fetching the ID. This one we are not using for users. Then users we have ID, name, email, then exception I have not added, just created the class repository, okay. Then service class where we have sample services, and in the application property we have used the h2 databases. Now I will run the project for you. So for now we are using these services. After that we'll add order services, payment services, and then we'll link that web services. Then we will add microservices feature like Eureka, server API gateway. All these things we'll add AI also. So this way we'll improve the same project. We'll not create new projects for everything. See, now we have run this one 8080. As per the controller you can check, we have this one users. So for, see now, suppose this one is a 8080. Now see, users if we'll run, we will get a blank data. Now we'll check in the local database. See, test connection, connect, run selected, we don't have record. Now I will insert some records here. Run selected, run selected. Here we got two records. Again we'll run the Postman. So here we will got the two records. It is a simple service. Now whatever the steps are there are, I committed everything on the GitHub. I created one repository, microservices AI technical growth challenge. In that repository I have added user services, whatever there in the local. I have added that same in the GitHub. Now we can check the daily screenshot. See, here I have added daily screenshot. Whatever I have done, I'm taking the screenshot. Like I have created some JSONs, okay. See, in the GitHub I have created token. So everything simple steps also I took the screenshot for your help. So definitely you can also join this challenge and it will be helpful for you to grow. We'll add all the things in the same project. Like we'll not create multiple projects, but we'll add the same things in the, like multiple things in the same project, so that we'll get to know, okay, what we are doing. So, and I have committed everything in the GitHub, so you can check that thing also. Thank you.